Dear students, welcome to Online Education System, Department of Collegiate and Technical Education, Bangalore. Myself, Manjunath A. Yadwar, Selection Grade Lecturer, Tipu Shahid Institute of Technology, Polytechnic Hubli. So today, let us discuss some more parametric tools which we use in Solid Edge V20 program. So in this session, I will explain how to take the mirror copy feature, draft and pattern array. So to start with the mirror copy feature, as we know how we take the mirror image of the sketch in the sketch environment, in the same fashion we take the mirror image of a feature which is created in 3D. So let us start how to create a 3D image, that is making an mirror copy feature. So to start with that mirroring, first let us take one 3D image. So click on the protrusion, click on the planar face, or else you take on revolved protrusion, click on the planar face. So let us draw one 2D diagram. Take an axis, this one, click on the return tool. So it will ask the angle to be revolved, give 360-degree, then click on the finish. So the 3D is created, 3D model is created. So let us see how to take the mirror copy feature of this 3D model. So to create the mirror copy feature of this, click here on the mirror copy feature. So go to mirror copy, click here. So it takes the mirror image of the created 3D model. So click on the body. So click here, complete body. Then it will ask the coincident plane. So click here on the right side of this created model 3D feature. So your 3D created model is being mirrored, that is the mirror image of the previous 3D model is ready, and after this you click finish. So this is how the mirror copy feature we execute the command called mirror copy feature. So I will repeat how to create or how to start it once again. Once the 3D model is there on the screen, so to take the mirror image of this feature, click here on this mirror image, mirror copy, click here, click on the complete feature or body, then take the planar face on which we require the mirror. So click here on this plane. So your mirror copy is copied, that is a mirror image is copied on the uh, plane which it is selected. So click here on the finish. So this is how the mirror copy feature command can be executed. So I will take up the next command. Click here, clear this. So the next command is here adding draft. So adding draft, it means it is the process of making an angle to the selected feature or selected model. So to make that, first create one, take the protrusion, select any plane, then draw one 2D diagram. I will draw 2D diagram like this. Then click on the return part, then extrude it to through a distance of, say, this distance, for example. Then click finish. So adding draft or making draft is nothing but it is a process of making an angle to the selected feature or selected model. So I will click here add draft, so which makes an angle selected faces of the part. So click add draft, click on the planar face or reference plane. So this is a planar face or a reference plane. Click here, click on the face or the face chain, click every face of this. Then here it will ask the draft angle. Suppose if I give the draft angle is 25°, click specify the value of drafting angle, then click here to accept the draft angle on the feature. So click add draft and accept it by right mark, click right mark, then click here on the next part. So click here on the side for the draft, on which side we want the draft angle on the feature is to be created. Click here, so your feature is created. Now you can view the earlier the created model was in different fashion. Now it is made with some draft angle that is 25°. So click here to finish it. So that means we are making the feature, we are making the feature with some angle. So that means we are adding some draft angle to the created feature so that it takes some other model. It takes some other fashion of the uh, selected feature. So this is how the add draft command is executed. I would like to repeat it once again. So first create 3D model of any kind. Now I have selected one rectangular and protruded it to some distance. Click here on the draft, add draft, click on this face, then click every face of this protruded feature or the feature on which it is to be drafted. Then it will ask the draft angle. You can give any draft angle depending upon your drawing. Now let us take as an example 25 degree. Then click here on the right mark, then click on the faces, then it will ask the next, select the arrow mark. So like this you can add the draft angle to the created feature. So first clear off this. So the next command is pattern array pattern. So it creates a rectangular or pattern array. So in this we have to create a feature. I will take this plane, I will draw one circle, so return, take the protrusion to some extent, then here click pattern, so which creates a rectangular or circular pattern. Okay, so let us take the pattern. So click on the feature, so select this feature, right, click here on the right mark to accept the current input, click on the reference plane, this one, then click for the center point of the arc. This one is the center point of the arc. Click here up to the radius, then you can give the number of counts. Let it be 4 only. Then click on the element and drag the rectangular fence, then return. So let us repeat the same procedure. Pattern, let us take pattern along curve, click on this feature, right click, that is a pattern along the curve which is to be accepted, click on the edge, then the count is given 6, it is a single, right click, then click to accept the display side or select the other side in the view, click here. Now the pattern is created, that is the number or the count is 6 in numbers. So this is how the pattern is to be created along the curve. So the pattern is created, this circular pattern is created, or the cylinder pattern is created along the circumference of this curve. So that is the pattern creation along the curve. So this is, we have given 6 numbers, so the pattern is created in 6 numbers. Let us take a zoom view of this one. So let us take the zoom view of this created pattern along the curve. So this is the first one, is the created features. So we have selected this circle and we have created the pattern along the curve path. So along this curve path we have selected, or we are creating the pattern along this curve. So that we have given the 6 numbers count. So the pattern is created along the path that is the 6 in number. So we can see here the 6 patterns are created along the curve. So this is how the pattern is to be created along the curve. So I will repeat the procedure. First, uh, click click on the pattern along the curve. Next, click on the feature, then give the count numbers whether it is a 4 or 6, then select the edge and accept display side. So on which side it is to be selected, that is the arrow mark is to be selected on the features. So that creates 6 patterns along the curve or selected circle. So this is how the pattern along the curve is to be created on the selected feature or on the selected cylinder of this. So this is how the pattern along the curve is created. So this is how I have executed the commands called mirror copy features and add draft, and also the pattern along the curve. So to view this more clearly, just zoom it to extent. You can give fit. This is how the pattern is created along the curve. So if you have any queries, please contact me to the my mobile number 94837 48782. So with this I am closing. I am very much thankful to the automobile chairman, subject experts and moderators for giving me this opportunity to present some of the commands which can be executed in the solid edge v20 program, that is adding draft, array pattern and also mirror copy features. So thank you one and all. With this I am closing. Thank you once again.